Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. Once upon a time, in a small town surrounded by a large forest, there was a magical factory where pencils were born. The place was run by the wise Mr. Graphite, an elderly man with a gray mustache and thick glasses that sparkled in the sun. He lived surrounded by a very special team of creatures, each with a unique and necessary skill in the pencil-making process. It all started in the lush trees of the forest, where a cheerful squirrel named Inky lived. Inky was in charge of finding the most perfect cedar trees to become the bodies of the pencils. She leaped from branch to branch, looking for the strongest and straightest ones. Once she found them, she signaled for the carpenter mice to arrive. The carpenter mice, led by the clever saw mouse, arrived to carefully cut down the trees. After cutting the logs, the mice carried the wood to the factory, where Mr. Graphite was waiting, ready for the next stage. This is where Brush, a rabbit with smooth movements and great artistic skills, came into play. Brush was in charge of cutting the wood into thin sheets, which would later become those wonderful tools we all know. In the next step, the clay friends, a group of chameleons with thin and precise fingers, mixed the graphite with clay in just the right amount. It was quite a sight to see how they worked in perfect harmony. With the mixture ready, Lumina, the sparkle of the factory, a young and mischievous kitten, coated the graphite with color, inserting it into the wooden tunnels that Brush had prepared. Lumina always chose the brightest colors for each pencil. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, the hares, Fermina, Christian, and Fidel applied the special glue, sealing the wooden sheets around the graphite core. Quick and precise, these siblings worked with amazing coordination. Once assembled, Rizzo, a fox with a fluffy tail, came onto the scene, spinning the little machines to give each pencil its characteristic rounded shape. Rizzo was very careful, making sure each piece was absolutely perfect. Finally, before going out into the world, the little birds of the workshop, Glorieta, Orion, and their friends, inspected each pencil, checking for imperfections, and placed them in decorated boxes. Mr. Graphite proudly observed the final product, always making sure that each pencil maintained the quality and love with which it was created. From then on, the pencils traveled all over the world, ready to bring new ideas to life. This is how, in that magical town, the pencils that many of us use so often were born. Each one made with love and dedication by Mr. Graphite's team. Every day that passed, the factory kept going, uniting all the characters in a mission that spread joy throughout the world, one pencil at a time. Did you learn a lot from this video? If so, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and gave me a big thumbs up. Thank you very much.